Hello children, how are you? Have you practiced the concept of one and many which I taught you yesterday? Let's revise it once again. O-N-E, one. We use one when we talk about a single thing. M-A-N-Y, many. We use many when we talk about the things which are more than one in number. Now, let's see a picture of one and many. Let's revise the concept of one and many through this picture. Here we have some objects which are one and many. Here, first picture is of cupcakes. We have 4 cupcakes which are more than one. If a thing is more than one, that means many. So here we have many cupcakes. Then one aeroplane, one house and many dogs. Let's solve the worksheet. This is the worksheet of one and many. Yesterday I have given you this worksheet. I hope you have solved it correctly. Now let's discuss the answers. Here we have to take the correct option. In first picture, we can see some cups. Now let's count the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cups. Means they are more than one. They are many. So we have to take on many. In second picture, we can see a cat. It's a single cat. Means it's a one cat. So we have to take on one. In third picture, we can see some tops. Let's count the tops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 tops. Means they are more than one. So we have to take on many. In fourth picture, there are some pots. Let's count the pots. 1, 2. There are 2 pots. Means they are more than one. So we can say there are many pots. So we have to take on many. Hope you enjoyed the session. Keep practicing and learning new things every day. Bye-bye.